Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix floating keyboard problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings and you have to type here application. Firstly you have to click on search and you can see here it is floating option. As you can see here, if it is not floating on your screen or stuck sometimes or freeze sometimes, so you can just simply go to this settings, then go to apps, then here you have to write Gboard. Click on here. You have to just clear cache and clear all the data of this. By doing this will reset your keyboard settings and you have to give all the permissions that it is needed, like microphone, photos and videos, and camera. By doing this will solve your problem and you have to just restart your device also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.